My name is Rumit Pandit. I'm an MA engineering student. I'll be presenting on bioventing for this assignment, which is a bioprocessing subject. This assignment will discuss what is bioremediation process, what is bioventing, its limitations and its conclusions. So let's begin. What is bioremediation, you may ask? Bioremediation is a process where land or the toxic land is treated with injection of microbes or bacteria. So the microbes or bacteria eats the organic solvents or the toxic waste, and the land is recovered after all. That process is called bioremediation. And there are many bacteria, as you can see on the screen. There are several bacteria, 6 or 7 types of bacteria which are commonly used in bioremediation process. Bioremediation process is basically done in and classified into 2 categories, which is in situ and second is ex situ. In situ is the original site. It is bioremediation is done on the original site, and ex situ is done in the lab or in vitro. So what is bioventing? Bioventing is a process where we inject oxygen into the contaminated land or unsaturated land, and with the help of oxygen, the enhanced biodegradation happens, and the bacteria feeds on the oxygen. It is an aerobic bacteria, so the aerobic bacteria gets oxygen, and the biodegradation rate of biodegradation is faster. It is, as you can see on the left side, this is the diagram of bioventing, where 2 vacuum pumps are used, and second is the batch moisture controller. So we have to control many parameters like oxygen and moisture, permeability, vaporization, etc. These parameters are controlled and they are used for the purpose of bioventing. On the right side you can see is the analytical trailer or the emission control and the vertical array. This is the schematic diagram of the plant layout, and the vertical column are the columns used to inject the oxygen, and the lateral vent array is the water level. JP4 are the pumps, as you can see from the figure. What is the limitation of bioventing? So limitations are soil moisture. First of all, if the soil is too moist or too less moist, it is not very suitable for bioventing, as soil moisture and the rate of biodegradation are proportional to each other. So you cannot be there with this excessive soil moisture or low soil moisture, as well as temperature is also the same thing. We have to control the environment so the bacteria and the faster rate of biodegradation happens, as we are dealing with the bacteria, right? There are fluctuating water tables in saturated soil zones, which creates low air permeability, which is also an issue, and vaporite soil surface also requires more monitoring. Also, chlorinated compounds are excluded from bioventing, as it doesn't biovent these things. So to conclude, there are many methods of in situ bioremediation. Bioventing is an effective one, and effectiveness is basically proportional to the various control parameters, which is the aeration level, which is the moisture level, which is the fluctuating water tables, which is different things, oxygen level to the vapor level. Everything should be controlled in order to get a perfect biovented soil. So apart from the chlorine compounds, bioventing is an effective process. It is used for the lands which are infected with fuels, or where fuels are present. So mainly that lands are biovented. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much.